Hello everyone and welcome to this Python programming course. In this course, we are going to learn everything you need to get started programming in Python. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language designed by Gower and Rosen, which aims to help programmers write clear and logical code for small and large-scale projects. There are a number of Python IDEs which helps you code in Python, some of which include IDLE, PyCharm, Spider, Atom, Thorny, PyDev, Microsoft Visual Studio, and many more. Throughout this course, we will be using IDLE as our integrated development environment to program in Python. So we will move to the installation of Python into our system. To be able to install Python, we move to the website python.org. Then we move to downloads. So this is the interface. You have to download the version that's better for your system. Here you can find the latest version for Windows. If you're using a Linux or a Mac OS, you have to click here. So if you click here, you will download the latest version for Windows. So once you click, the download will start immediately. Once the download is complete, you can double tap on it and you start the installation. Install now and your installation will proceed, but since I have it installed already, I will just cancel at this point. So IDLE is an integrated IDE for the Python programming language. That is, once you install Python, automatically comes with the IDLE as its integrated development environment. So here in our search bar, we basically type IDLE. Once that is done, we see that the IDLE environment opens, enabling us to enter our Python code. This is basically it for how to install and launch our Python IDE. But before we end this video, we will see how to write a simple program to say hello world. Once this statement is written, we just press enter and we have hello world printed to the screen. So this is basically it for this video, and in our next video we'll be talking about variables, statements and expressions. See you soon.